In the coming few, and apparently I understand, there are some directives.
Ni gonete communication ya Spika wa Senate kuri senators. Akiuga kuma muthi.
Yes.
Gutire senator gwitikirio guthie nja wa bururi.
Yes.
Oro hamwe na arutwira bunge ya Senate.
Wakae huku paka wamalize the
kuna
business.
Kazi mingi sana inatugoja hapa.
Yes. Kero motiga tuko tutikochoka kurekaniriria
wira.
Yes.
No ginya tukorwo guku ithuothe.
Ithuothe gutari mundu rau ena kaundu agana mucianga na ki. Yes.
Riu gwetikire senator gwitikirio kumagara nja wa bururi. Ni undu wa of course the biggest business ye metereire. And it's very important today.
The debate of the impeachment of the deputy president. Yes. And of course the Kiricho governor as well.
On Monday. Wajue watafanyaje na yeye.
And their cart is full. And I'm sure some of them are not very happy.
Of course they can't be.
Abone magiria dire kueherera ngori ino.
You see na nitugite atiriri.
Yes.
Miena yeri ti ati ni racunga.
Yes.
Miena yeri rona lobbying cio iria mareka hapa na pare ginyo tuko muthenya.
Absolutely.
Riu kuri andu maramenya atiriri.
Yes.
Ni merire mweno uria nitugarugama na inyui. No makamenya the material day.
Yes.
Tutacheza Kiswahili.
You know what happens when you abscond? Ukoragwo I think uteithitie riu uria umeirwo ni mbare yo.
Yes. Kwa ugutira. Kwa abstain.
Yes.
Kwa abstaini.
Or spoiled food.
Ruwe uteithitie motion nikogwa.
Yes. Riu gweci rekio makiritwo hakuna kusonga. Which is leaves very many questions. I'm sure some of them are not impressed. Yana kamurigo ndiragira China ningi riu ni matuma ya ningi.
Agijara bagite kinya ndege.
Ndagitagite gutuma nginya ndungata.
Kinya ndungata. Riu ni maundu mariku.
Maundu mariku ningi riu Spika arare.
Na ndathimithanitie ugu nigetha ngakorwo itari nyamu-ini iyo nie ndigacoke gutinda ngicoka kwambo.
Yo igire Singapore ucio ngiraithie Singapore. Ndoke ndekirie taki. Mwe ukwaga tuiga ta thukuru.
Mundu ri arenda kweherera nguri mukamucokia ho.
And you know that feeling all of us have had it at one time. Yori kana mwe thukuru. Ne mwagibangagirwo mugatangathirwo. The principal. Just to notify you, we shall be proceeding on our midterm break, starting the 22nd of this month.
No kafanga.
Yes.
You kafanga itinerary yaku.
Yes. Mwacho karau wiki onigetha muthie midterm ri. Mukaigwa provincial director of education ni Karafari.
Karafa.
You know, there is a time Karafa when I was in high school. Karafa never. The same Karafa who was a senator or who? Yes. He was provincial director of education. Centro. Yes, I was Centro.
Nani mushari madhukuru muno.
Muno. Mukaigweru PD re. Karafari. Ni afagite ugashira shukuru wanyu Friday. Na midi murare mwajie Alhamisi.
Thursday.
Yes.
Lumbo akirwo you are hereby noticed.
We shall postpone and also look at the possibility of going or not going.
Not like dying.
Those who are out of resources can liaise with the office we call their parents. But yo, what is this?
What are you saying?
What is he saying? Fonke. Aimani parangwe. Daila.
No, why wow. Oru.
It was like a heartbreak. He do fagete. Ginyo kamanyere. Midtamu ero kanire. Na kwena ka bash gwa tata wanyu kamanya. Yes.
Ni mwafanganite na mpoa waku.
Yes.
Na mukamenya riu midi cianyu ni ikagomana.
Ni ciariana. Ugacoka igwa riu ni ciahuka.
Ciahukanio.
Yes.
You felt bad.
Na ndoi na surety ya society ri kandirwo na keini wa absence. Ndakora mwathikangiria PD ucio mwicunga. This is a very important exercise. I don't know why you are whining. Stai kusikia hizo makelele. You should consider this a heavy privilege. He has considered our school.
School
all the schools in the zone. We are the ones who shall represent them. Yes.
Wewe ndio ratumire tuterio.
Tomorrow tumwana tu twacinagira kamugomo mild. Huko ndio masana tamara hiyo.
Hiyo melirwa kuna kwenda ije.
Kuna mahali mnaenda. Na tachoka ina huko.
Udi hapa. Rathiko.
Tinge. Kuja.
Ke yumithia hau na thimu.
Yumithia hau na thimu. Coka we. Gotie mundu takaiguo kundu kuriku.
Guku.
And we do a head count.
Umenyona mahuipuri. Tondu mwena okire na huipuri.
Yes.
Niko mahuthiria wira. Nigetha mahote kuhuipu members.
Definitely.
O mwena ukinyaniria numbers iria marenda.
Yes. Now the whips are their work is all cut out. Yes. Dangwan waigo thie kuru turathi.
Bani. Igwa mani muthenya ucio ndona ataingihota nginya kwanja nyambe njite thimu.
Ndakenda o aita kidogo meni no amere kwanja ithie maseneta mundu aikara seneta ugo oyeka mark time okoya kagavana. Yoreire methu.
Yo no cia mesia araina.
Methu ragu ate no cia mesia. Iuria wa Muranga.
Nyoto.
Uria nyoto. Nä tå rathirä kangu ningä maå ndå meo mara ai wanini nini ä wa matinga arauga atä a
gå thi handu hakuna kwenda ije
sasa hapana
nä ambuke nä maratå gå ire mbere gå thiä thibitarä rä u må ndangä thiä thibitarä
må ndangiuga ningä na kaå na kaego arakå rwo ona ambuke nao nä marahå thä rire må kwo cio
ona maratå gå ire mbere
hakuna short break leo. Lesson ni triple.
Niä kwa ora ndä ndaa gå thiä Zanzibar ikå igä rä
baigå gå tiä short break na long break
nä gå cinyitithania
no mwaka tå kabeke
syllabus
and we are behind.
Behind Jenny. Lazima mtu ajipeleka huko.
Hiyo.
Must stand to be counted. Ige kenda.
Ya no happy.
Ndio ana kamuchoro gakura.
Naitajika kazini mwako. Inaona tukiaria maundu ma bururi ma bata ma gukuria economy mukage o uguo. Yes.
Na wigi ucio.
Yes.
Na muka extend nginya late night.
Yes. Mugatukithia. Mukitukia maundu ma utuguna. Yes.
Mashifu na sha.
Definitely. Mugakuwa no ritu and you put in as much weight and resource on the same. Yes.
They like go vida for